Welcome. In front of me is a FREEYOND M6, and today I'll show you how we can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the screen recording toggle, which for me is located on the second page right here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up this window right here, letting you choose two different things. So one would be the audio. By default it is turned off, so if you want to record any audio, just make sure you toggle it on. And by default it's going to record a device's audio, but you can change it to microphone or both. Now when it comes down to recording both, I would recommend using headphones for that, as it might create an unwanted echo effect on the recording. Now below that we have show touches on the screen, which I will enable just so you can see how that looks like on the recording, as it will create a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. Now select start. This will begin a 3-second countdown, and then with a notification, or vibration in this case, begins recording. So from here you can open up some applications. Now you won't be able to open up every application, or maybe not open up, you won't be able to record every application. Now before I go any further to that, I'm going to stop the recording, so pull down your notifications, click on stop, and this will save the recording to your gallery. Now going back to what I was saying, that you won't be able to record everything, there are certain applications that have the ability to block screen recorders from being able to see the screen, and what you will end up with is a fully black screen. It won't stop the recording, but it just won't present you with anything on the recording outside of just a straight up black screen. Now, if you close that application, obviously it will continue to record, for instance, your home screen. So if you ever encounter such a thing, just know that wherever you were trying to record, just decided to block the screen recorder. And for the most part, applications that utilize this have zero business using it. And there's also no setting for you to turn off to get rid of this and be able to record what you want to record. Now, one of the most notorious applications using this would be Netflix, and it comes pre-installed with decent amount of devices. And even if you don't log in, even if you don't agree to any kind of terms of service or use, even furthermore you disagree with them, the application still has more control over your own device, even though you haven't allowed it to do absolutely anything, but it still can. Now, once we open up our gallery, which is where we will find our screen recorder, or screen recording, more precise, you want to navigate to library, and in here you'll find movies album. In here you can see there is our screen recording, and I think it's already playing. And you can also see this semi-transparent gray dot. That's where my finger was pressing the display. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.